Connection is an experience of unity and harmony, becoming one with all that ever was, is, and will be. Connection is to feel fully and with equanimity. All emotions are welcome, delivered to heal pain and dissolve fear. Connection is looking into the eyes of another until the illusion of separation vanishes as we are reflected back to ourselves. To connect is to experience ourselves as whole and complete, as we are now. A recognition that there is nothing to do in order to experience and receive love. It is our birthright. Hello everyone, welcome to today's Connection Challenge. I hope you're all having a lovely day. So yesterday we focused on appreciation as the active ingredient in developing an experience of contentment within our lives as they are now. Today, we supercharge this experience with one of my favorite exercises of all time. Eye gazing is one of the most direct paths to experiencing unity, oneness, and harmony. It is one of the most confronting exercises in this challenge. As they say, the eyes are the window to our soul. Are you ready? Step 1 is to find a partner that you feel comfortable enough with to look into their eyes for an extended period of time. To experience the full effects of this exercise, I would carve out at least 1 hour of silent time. Find a comfortable posture where you can sit absolutely still for 30 minutes. Sit facing the other partner close enough so that you can touch them. The closer you are, the easier it is to focus on the other person. Your goal is to silently gaze into one another's eyes without making any facial expressions for at least 30 minutes. It may take some practice and a few sessions to get there, which is totally fine. By the way, it's okay to blink your eyes to keep them wet. Eventually, with practice, you will find yourself blinking less and less. It is always important to allow your thoughts to slip away as you focus on the other person's eyes. Eventually, you might even forget you're looking into another person's eyes. This is the pulling back of our veil of perceived separation as we begin to experience oneness. Keep going. It's okay to take breaks if you need, but keep stepping back onto your tender edge. Congratulations! That is one of the toughest exercises for most people, but it can also become quite addictive in the best way possible. It's like going on vacation or traveling without moving. To truly see another is to see ourselves fully, as whole and complete as we are now. Keep practicing, and as always, don't forget to breathe and enjoy the ride. Please share your comments, insights, and experiences below, and join our Facebook group to connect with other participants. You can register at pureproject.org/challenge. Have a great day, and see you tomorrow for our next Connection Challenge.